讲到这回答的执行长黄仁勋今来到台湾，按说要参加这回答台湾的飞机，本人敢会出席这回答和台北市政府的签约典礼呢？目前是无正面来回应。另外，外界有风声讲呢，这美国希望台湾转移4成的半导体产能去到美国。啊，那黄仁勋是认为讲用转移来思考无适合，应该爱家想做是增加产能。黄仁勋是强调讲会和台积电、广达也个鸿海呢，伟创等台湾的供应链来密切合作，来应用目前 AI 基础建设的需求。
你要送给谁？朋友。
笑眯眯翕相签名拢总来，回答执行长黄仁勋结束中国行程了后，过来台湾第二行程就是去甲头毛，也甲台积电当做为体家甲创办人张忠谋见面。针对外媒报道，指回答 H28晶片已经运到中国，伊反驳这是假新闻，表示目前议员的单关方最后决定，而且还未收到订单。
The actual license for H200 is being finalized. And I'm hoping that also the Chinese government would allow NVIDIA to sell in H200. Very good for America technology leadership. It's also very good for the Chinese market, and the customers would very much like to have H200.
风声美国希望台湾转移4成半导体产能到美国，黄仁勋认为未来台积电经营甲产能，应超过台湾应摕到能源供应量真济，用转移来思考无适合，应该想做增加产能。
I don't think shifting is the right way to think about it. Adding is the right way. For the United States, it's also a great strength because we have manufacturing resilience. For TSMC, it has the benefit of global footprint. So I think it's a win-win.
伫强调甲台积电、广达、鸿海、伟创等台湾供应链密切合作，来应应即马 AI 基础建设强大需求。即摆来台湾要参加回答台湾飞机，针对外界关心，伊是不是亲身参加回答甲台北市政府的签约典礼，伊用趣味话来闪过。
Am I coming? Do you guys know?
The Taipei mayor wants you to go.
Oh, okay.
He invites you many times.
Is that right? Okay. Well, when is it?
He say you decided.
When are you guys available?
其实我们都还是持续和会道保持联系，那最主要也是要看黄仁勋这段期间他的行程安排。
特别是1月2日都会并肩审查重点，包含放停建蔽率、道路合并提悬大站高度，伫无影响交通的情形之下，设车辆进出口审批通过了后，2月7日公告才正式生效。另外，市府回答签约形式无限制，原则上一定会伫旧历过年进前将所有合约全部签好。记者综合报道。